Today, we're going to walk through what's in store for this year's event in San Diego. This will actually be my 5th time attending Cisco Live, and I think it's my buddy Jeff's 14th. So I can confidently say that Cisco Live honestly never disappoints. Whether you're new to Cisco Live or a seasoned vet, I'm here to help you get the most out of your time at the conference. All right, when and where? This year we're headed back to San Diego, the San Diego Convention Center. This is the first time since 2019, so pre-pandemic. Cisco Live brings together thousands of IT professionals, engineers, executives, partners from across the globe into one place. A lot of activities during the week, walk-in labs, technical sessions, keynotes. We got the World of Solutions where we'll be at, Variphy, and many more. So today's agenda, here's what's on deck for today. We're going to dive into some technical sessions and walk-in labs and get hands-on with Cisco Tech, seeing all the sessions that you should register for. Possibly catch keynotes from Cisco execs and big picture strategies and updates. Tell you what's on the World of Solutions Expo. Tons of vendors, demo, and pick up some swag, and us, Variphy, will be there. If you're scheduled, don't forget about your certification exam. So this is a place to get certified. Also, lots of chances for networking, meeting folks throughout the day. Hey, why not stop by and see us? And then, of course, the celebration event. I think the Killers are performing. So that's always a big celebration at Cisco Live. Technical sessions, walk-in labs. What are some of the must-see sessions? I think these are handpicked by Jeff Young. They're his personal picks, whether you're on-prem, curious about the cloud, hybrid even. These sessions are going to give you practical, actionable insights. Trust me, these sessions fill up quick. So if there's a session you're eyeballing, get registered as soon as possible. All right, let's get into it. Cisco Unified Communications Manager, CUCM platform and calling updates. This is one of those roadmap sessions we always look forward to at Cisco Live. If you're into staying ahead on where Cisco's headed with UCM calling, this is one's worth your time. It's all about how Cisco's helping customers move through digital transformation confidently, especially if you're still running on-prem. They're going to walk you through the overall product strategy, upcoming changes, what's next for things like Jabber, WebEx, Cisco Meeting Server, devices. Expect a solid update on UCM 15, how to upgrade, what's new, what to watch for with compatibility, other important platform updates. So it's super helpful if you're planning a version jump anytime soon. They're also covering WebEx calling, so that side of things, including how UCM fits into the bigger picture with dedicated instance or DI. So this is great info for anyone starting to think about cloud migration or hybrid models. So overall, this session is a great session if you want a clear picture of where Cisco UC is going and how to plan for it, whether you're staying on-prem or starting to dip into the cloud. All right, next, mastering the upgrade to CUCM version 15. This is perfect if you're sticking with on-prem and want to make sure your upgrade path is solid. It's all about getting up to speed with CUCM 15, what's new, what's required, how to upgrade from an older version. Now, whether you're coming from 11 or 12 or anything in between, this session walks you through it. What's great is that this is hands-on. It's a lab style format. You'll see real upgrade scenarios and learn from more efficient ways to handle the process. It's not just theory. They're going to show you what actually works. A strong focus on troubleshooting. You'll learn how to spot fix and common issues during the upgrade process, which can save you a ton of time and headaches back in the office. So if you're unsure about moving to the cloud and planning to stick with UCM on-prem for a while, this session is super valuable. It'll give you the tools and confidence you need to transition to version 15 as smooth as possible. WebEx calling, what do you want to know? This is interactive. It's a breakout. It's all about open discussion, no slides, just real talk with Cisco product managers and other folks in the industry. So this is a great chance to hear what others are saying about WebEx calling. Share your own experiences, get answers straight from the people who build and manage the platform themselves. A lot of back and forth. This isn't a presentation, it's like a roundtable. So bring your questions, ideas, or even just listen to what others are dealing with or curious about. So if you want the inside scoop of where WebEx calling is headed, or you just want to bounce some thoughts off others using it, this is the session to attend. All right, WebEx calling, mastering WebEx calling and everything you need to know. This is a deep dive into all the good stuff WebEx calling has to offer. Definitely a solid session if you're already familiar with Cisco calling and want to level up. They're going to walk through core features of WebEx calling and how to really take advantage of Control Hub for managing and optimizing your setup. Especially expect a closer look at tools like Thousand Eyes for troubleshooting, analytics, visibility. This can seriously help track down quality issues fast. They're going to touch on Phone OS, call recording, advanced queuing, some cool AI features that are starting to shape in the future of communication. If you got a handle on the basics and you want to dig into the more advanced and powerful capabilities of WebEx calling, this session is packed with useful info. All right, so migrating IP phones from CUCM to WebEx calling. So this is a super practical session. It's led by a TAC engineer who knows this process inside out. It's focused on migrating Cisco 7800s and 8800 series phones from CUCM on-prem to calling, WebEx calling, by converting the firmware to enterprise to multi-platform or MPP. If your organization already has a bunch of these phones and you're planning on moving to the cloud, this session will walk you through exactly how to make that transition without replacing hardware. They're going to cover key stuff like which phones are eligible, what kind of licenses you need, all the tools you can use like Cloud Upgrader and automation features and Control Hub. It's all about avoiding common mistakes and making the process smooth straight from someone who helped build these tools themselves. So it's a must-see if phone migration is on your to-do list. All right, implementing Cisco calling interoperability with Microsoft Teams. That's a tongue twister. This is a hands-on instructor-led lab that shows you how to get Cisco calling working alongside MS Teams. You're going to dive into two scenarios. We're most interested in scenario 1, direct routing with Cube. In scenario 2, WebEx calling integration. Both are super relevant if your organization is running a mix of platforms. Scenario 1 walks you through setting up Microsoft Teams phone with direct routing PSTN and CUCM using Cube. Perfect if you got an on-prem gear, but you need it to play nice with Teams. Scenario 2 covers how to integrate WebEx calling with Teams, so users get a seamless experience without ditching the Cisco backend. So some calling knowledge is needed, but if you're juggling both ecosystems or planning hybrid deployments, this lab's a great way to get real-world practical experience. All right, collaboration architectures, moving from on-premise to Cisco cloud calling and collaboration is a deep technical dive led by some of Cisco's top experts, including Justin Jordan, who always delivers solid insights. This session breaks down Cisco's calling architecture options like WebEx calling, dedicated instance, UCM 15, helps you really understand the differences between them in terms of service, connectivity, and how they fit in your overall strategy. This is perfect if you're trying to figure out which path makes most sense for your organization, whether you're sticking with on-prem for now or going full cloud or doing hybrid. They'll also cover Cisco's recommended architectures for long-term strategy so you can plan your move with clarity and confidence. If you're thinking about cloud migration, this session is packed with the kind of knowledge and detail, big picture guidance that's really going to help you make smart decisions. So that's kind of a breakdown of Jeff's hand-selected sessions that he thinks you should really attend if you're at Cisco Live this year out in San Diego. Next, Keynotes from Cisco executives, right? The keynotes are always interesting to attend. They're a great way to hear directly from Cisco about the future of networking, cloud, AI, collaboration. Also, if sitting in an auditorium with 20,000 people really isn't your vibe, you can always catch them on the live streams through Cisco's website or social media. You're going to stream it live, so you don't actually have to be in the building to watch. World of Solutions. This is where you can go to see hand-on product demos, meet tech engineers, see all the new tech, pick up all your swag. Come visit us. Variphy. We're going to be at booth 1915. We're usually there at every Cisco Live, so please come by, say hi. We have our collector's shirt as usual. Vic, he's going to do a live demo of WebEx Contact Center reporting and analytics on Tuesday, June 10th at 2 p.m. So come by, see Vic, see myself. We're going to be showing WebEx Contact Center reporting and analytics live on our screen. Again, come get your shirt. So yeah, World of Solutions, come check us out. Cert exams. So get certified for free, right? Free exam with a full conference pass. Register early to get your exam slot. Jeff, I don't know if you're there, but anything, I mean, I know you've done these in the past. Anything folks should know on the phone about getting certified at a Cisco Live?
Just the biggest thing with the certifications there at Cisco Live is slightly different environment than probably most people are used to. Typically you're in a room by yourself or maybe with one or two other people. Here at Cisco Live, you can see this, and this is an actual picture from the certification. I mean, you're shoulder to shoulder with hundreds of people in a room. You could hear a pin drop in this room. It is dead silent. So if you have any kind of test anxiety or anything, this might not be the best environment for you. But again, it is included with the full conference pass. So it's one of those, if you're looking to recertify, it's a good time to do it. Or if you need to take maybe a partner level test, or something that doesn't require a ton of studying, I definitely schedule it and take it here at Live.
Yeah, that's a good point, Jeff. Awesome. All right, moving along, networking and social events. Obviously, you can meet up with peers, partners, Cisco experts, ourselves, Variphy. We always, host our customer events. So if you're interested in attending, please reach out to your account manager, your success contact. We can get you details on that. So yeah, when in Rome, while you're there, hit up the social events, get your networking in. That's just the place to be, right? Everybody's here, so might as well. Celebration event, we're having ours, but obviously Cisco has theirs. They have their concert, the Killers. They're performing. I think it's at Gallagher Square, Jeff. That's kind of right off of Petco Park. So I know that's going to be, they always, I think in 2019, Weezer performed, if I stand corrected. Yeah. So always a good time. I don't know, Jeff, anything to add from past Cisco Lives and the celebration event?
No, yeah, I'm kind of interested to see how this one will go. I mean, for people that have attended before or even obviously haven't, this is typically at a large sporting venue that's closed off just for Cisco Live attendees and their guests. And this seems like they're trying to do a type of street party or block party kind of thing. So pretty interested to see how this is. They mentioned Gallagher Square, and I believe that's actually right outside of Petco Park. So maybe a large plaza and that kind of thing. So should be a good time. It looks like they've got a lot of different venues for people to take in, different styles of music and different events.
Awesome. Once again, don't forget, come to World of Solutions. We'll be there all week. We'll be there Monday through Thursday. Join us at booth 1915 in the World of Solutions. Again, live demo Tuesday, June 10th, 2 p.m. Victor is going to be demoing WebEx Contact Center reporting and analytics live on our monitors. Yeah, so be sure to stop by, say hi, grab a shirt. We're looking forward to seeing you. So with that, thanks for joining today's webinar. I hope this guide helps you get the most out of Cisco Live 2025 in San Diego. We hope to see you stop by the booth. If you want to read the blog post and get more information on all these sessions that Jeff Young has earmarked here, variphy.com/CLUS25. All right, that's a wrap. See you next month for next month's webinar. Thanks a lot.